In this lesson, Alex kind of explains it as like breaking up the picture into different rectangles. So here they have 3 different rectangles and they find the area of each one. So see how they broke it up into this brown one that's 15 by 5, these 2 little blue ones that are both 5 by 4. Then they add all of those rectangles together. I kind of like to do it a little bit differently, where we take the area of the entire rectangle. So let me show you using my pen here. I would do this whole rectangle as if it were across here, and I do 15 times 9 to get 135. And then I would just subtract out this piece. That's a 4 by 5. Take away 20, and I'm left with 115. And if you notice, that's the answer at the bottom, 115. So I think that I like the subtracting way better because you get the whole picture and then you just take away what's missing. So you can divide it up and add a bunch together. Well, in this case, I probably would divide it up because there's just 2. So yeah, I guess sometimes it's good to divide up. So I'm going to just divide this up. We have a 5 yard by, and I have to figure out how long this is. If I drop this down, this one's 4, this is 5, and that comes down, that's 5, and this one's 4. So this rectangle is 13 by 5. So I'm going to do 13 times 5 is 65. So I'm going to put 65 yards squared, belongs to that rectangle. Then the second rectangle is a 5 by 5. So I do 5 times 5, which is 25. So then I just take the 65 and add 25. And that would be 90 yards squared. Okay, the next one. Okay, this is one where I would just do the whole thing and subtract out the part that's missing. So I could do 9 times 5. It's as if the whole rectangle were here. So 9 times 5 is 45. So it's going to be 45 meters squared minus, so we're going to say this amount is gone. And this rectangle here is a 4 by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to do 45 minus 12, and I get 33. So this area would be 33 meters squared. Now we can do it the other way. So let's just show you the other way real quick in case you feel more comfortable with that. If we divided this, I would maybe go straight up this way. Since this part is 5, that means this one is 4, so that they add to get 9. Since this one is 3, this one will be 2, since 3 plus 2 will give you 5. So we have a 4 by 2, which is 8. And then we have, we'll change color here, we have a 5 by 5, which is 25. So we'll do 25 plus 8, which gives you 33. And it's the same answer that I got too. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.